Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, we are sharing you our itinerary during our winter trip in Japan last December. For day 1, we visited Namba Yasaka Shrine, Osaka Castle, and for the rest of the day, we went to Universal Studios and enjoyed the Super Nintendo World. For day 2, we traveled to Tottori to visit the Conan town. When we went back to Osaka, we went to Dohtonbori to have our dinner. On day 3, we checked out our hotel and traveled to Kyoto to see the Starbucks in Ninenzaka. Next on our list is the Arashiyama Bamboo Park. We had the time to walk along the streams near Sanju Station. And then we traveled to Nara to see the deers at Nara Park. At nighttime, we catch our Shinkansen train going to Tokyo. For our day 4, we traveled to Kawaguchiko to see the Mount Fuji. We stayed at Yamaguchi Ryokan overnight. For day 5, we head to Gotemba outlet store to do some shopping. And afterwards, we went back to Tokyo. For day 6, we checked in at Toy Story Hotel in Disneyland Resort. Spent our day at Disney Sea and enjoyed some rides. For our day 7, we spent our day at Disneyland. For day 8, we went to the biggest Starbucks Roastery in Tokyo. And in the afternoon, we traveled to Yokohama to visit the Gundam Factory and to see the moving Gundam. Day 9, we spent our day at Shibuya Sky and Shibuya Crossing and went to Akihabara for some shopping. On day 10, we catch the Hayabusa Shinkansen going to Hokkaido and transferred to another train to Sapporo. On day 11 is Christmas Day and we spent our day at Ohori Park and Sapporo TV Tower. Afternoon, we went to Sapporo Beer Garden and Beer Museum. For day 12, we went to Fushimi Inari Shrine in Sapporo. Our next stop is Mount Moiwa Ropeway and Mount Moiwa. day 13, we traveled back to Tokyo through Hayabusa Shinkansen. And at night, we went to Roponggi to see the Christmas illumination. Day 14, our last day in Japan, we went to the famous stairs from the anime Your Name. After that, we check out to our hotel and catch the Skyliner train going to Narita Airport. And that's our full 14-day itinerary in Japan. I hope it's helpful. And don't forget to follow our page, Kardashian Adventures, where adventure never ends.